The 15th season of Bigg Boss is getting interesting day by day. Audience is witnessing plenty of drama entertainment in the Bigg Boss house. In the recent episode, Bigg Boss gave a new challenge to contestants to secure their place in finale by becoming a member of the VIP zone. To be part of the VIP zone, the contestants need to perform their best in the task. Now, after Bigg Boss announcing this new task, the dynamics and friendship equations will again change in the Bigg Boss house. In the recent episode, the contestants were given first VIP task. Since Umar is the captain of the house, he becomes the first VIP member and gets the special power to choose 3 contestants who would join him in the VIP zone. The rest would be eliminated. Umar asks the contestants to tell him why he should not eliminate him or her from the task. After this, the contestants are seen trying to convince Umar why he should take them with him in the VIP zone. When the first gong plays, Umar eliminates Neha Bhasin and Rakesh Bapat, stating reason that they have just entered the show. When the second gong plays, Umar eliminates Rajiv Adatya and Shamita Shetty. He gives the reason that Rajiv's contribution in the show is less than other contestants in the show. For Shamita Shetty, he gives the reason that she has a lot of support in the house and she does not need his support. Also, there is a special moment inside the house when Karan Kundra gifts a necklace to Tejasvi Prakash and in fact ties it around her neck. On the other hand, Shamita and Rakesh can be seen dancing together. In yesterday's episode of Bigg Boss, there was also a fight among the contestants over ration as Bigg Boss had refused to give ration to contestants as a punishment. In the latest episode of Bigg Boss 15 Weekend Kawar, the audience witnessed double elimination. After Maisha Iyer's elimination, Ishan Sehgal is the second contestant who got eliminated from the Bigg Boss house. The contestants who are seen on Bigg Boss 15 are Vishal Kotian, Karan Kundra, Rajiv Adatya, Tejasvi Prakash, Simba Nagpal, Neha Bhasin, Rakesh Bapat, Umar Riaz, Shamita Shetty, Prateek Sehajpal, Nishant Bhatt, Afsana Khan and Jai Bhanushali. Till now, Sahil Shroff, Vidhi Pandya, Donald Bisht, Akasa Singh, Maisha Iyer and Ishan Sehgal have been evicted from the show. The show will run for 105 days. Bigg Boss 15 airs on Colors.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.